Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message off one of my videos about the pen tool, which I never use. It is a cool tool because you can just stretch it and then click off and curve it. Click off and curve it. Click off and curve it. His question was, if you made a mistake, how do you get rid of that last node? Well, to stop the process, you hit the escape key. So if this is your mistake, grab your shape tool and grab that node and hit delete. It'll go from there. And then you can just take it again, click on that node and start over. You know, if you made a terrible mistake and you can't get it back like right there and you hit the escape key, you don't want that little, I don't know why my smart field, you don't want that little node right there. And you could double click and make a node right there and then take away that node. And then you'd have a straight line. I hope that was his question. And thank you for watching.